Hey, it's winter time around here, and batteries. Batteries is a problem. Got a bunch of stuff around. I got 3 motorcycles that I need to keep the batteries up on because Lord knows I can't ride them enough, especially in the winter because I'm a big old wimp. No, I try to ride up as much as I can. I've also got some cars and, RV, tractor, riding lawnmower, all kind of stuff, and want to keep the batteries up. So I have a battery tender, and that's what I use and trust. It hasn't ruined a battery for me yet. I've actually got a few extra cords. My newest Harley comes with a quick connect. I've got quick connect on my, let's see if I can get it in the picture. I'm standing kind of right in front of it. My forklift. I got a quick connect on it. Got another quick connect I'm gonna put on one of my other bikes as soon as I can, as soon as I get a chance. I've also got a quick connect on my RV out there. But anyway, let's flip this around and talk about the battery tender real fast. So here we've got this battery tender. It's hooked up to this, and I just hooked it up. It started out red and then it started flashing green. It'll go solid green here in a little bit and I'll know we're good. Once that happens, I'll hook it up to this. And then I'll make my rounds. I'll hook it up to this. Let me show you, I got me a quick connect for this. And then I'll hook it up to the fair lane. That's the battery right there out of that Mustang, even though it doesn't work. I've got another battery tender that I've got for other stuff, and I use it quite often. I really trust the battery tender to do what I need it to do. Plus, I've got that right there for big, worst case scenarios. Thing is, battery tender, it's there for to keep you from ruining your batteries. A lot of newer stuff, whether you use it or not, especially like these motorcycles that have a constant draw on them, that constant draw will kill the battery if you don't run it, charge it up, or put something on it. Take care of your batteries. Get you a trickle charger. I recommend the battery tender. That one that I showed you, I have had it since probably 2010. Maybe a little later, but probably between 10 and 12, somewhere around there. After I ruined my first battery on a Harley by letting it go, drain itself because of the active theft or whatever it is, I bought me a battery tender. So, hey, buy them, save you a little money from having to continually buy batteries, especially after your little bitty little winter has had its say in it. Hey, y'all take care. Thank you.